Hello everyone, welcome to my channel as at education tutorial. In this video, 7th standard English workbook solution. If you satisfy my answer, you can stop the video. Your worry. If you any doubt, please write a comment. आपको मेरी ये वीडियो का सॉल्यूशन लगे ना तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. Thank you for watching.